Good afternoon, guys. We'll start in 10 minutes. Let everyone join the session. Okay, very good afternoon, guys. So I've got queries here. So we didn't still receive mails of project. Then, guys, they told that everybody they imported the data and most of you all should get the mails. If you are not getting, then I will be getting by today, end of the day. That's what they have informed me. I checked with them. That's what they told me. Still, how many are there who didn't get mails? Can I know? How many of you still didn't get mails? Shreya, okay. Veeranala, okay. Others? Only these two? Yes, only these two. Did you all get others? The 19 people, what about others? Tell me. Did you all get mails? At least tell yes or no. Guys, so till 3 o'clock, this is a mentoring session. So you should interact with me. So tell me, did you all get mails or not? Only two people? If only two people, that's fine. I will tell about these two people only to the team. So I'm just thinking that all others got the mails, right? Except Shreya and Veernala, all the others who are currently in this session got the mails. So no issue from our side, right? That's what I'm thinking. And one more thing, are you finding the Servicenow projects in the portal? Yes, are you finding the Servicenow projects in the portal? Guys, this can't happen like this. I want interaction. If you're not answering anything, how am I supposed to take this session? Tell me. Yes, if nobody answers anything, how am I supposed to take the session? You're not even answering yes or no. Can't you hear me? Is my voice not coming? So are you finding ServiceNow projects in the portal? Smart Interns portal, are you finding ServiceNow projects? Someone answer to my question. Yes, can you answer? Are you guys finding ServiceNow projects in the Smart Interns portal or not? Because last time on Saturday, you all told me that you are not able to find the projects in the portal, many of you. So is that issue resolved or not? I hope you all started the projects also. Did you all start doing the projects? Yes, guys, can you answer something? What is wrong with you all? Yes, can you answer something? Am I not audible, guys? Yes, am I not audible? Why are you not answering anything? So at 3 o'clock, I will start the project implementation. We'll see another project today. So till 3 o'clock, this is an NAMA session. So you should ask me, you can ask me any topic or project related doubts or anything you can ask me. I'll be here. So last Saturday, what project have you implemented? Can someone tell me what project have you implemented last week? Yes. Yeah, forgot the project that we have implemented. No queries? No queries, guys? So, did you start doing the projects? Are you getting any doubts while doing the projects? Project implementation, are you getting any doubts? Team formation, have you done? So okay, then if you don't have any queries, I will ask. We'll do some question discussion kind. So can you tell me what is dictionary override? What is dictionary override? Can someone tell me? Yes. Tell me what is dictionary override. What is dictionary override, guys?
करेंगी मुझे दूसरी सब चीजें खत्म होगी या तो फिर आप लोग ब्रेक
నువ్వు బయట పోయి కూర్చోట ఇట్లా కూర్చోకూడదు కోసం
So guys, tell me what is dictionary override. This also you don't want to answer. Yes. What is dictionary override? What is dictionary override? Where do we use dictionary override? Yes. We use dictionary override. What is the use of it? We have done, right? We have done example also on dictionary override. Yeah. Don't want to answer. Okay, then tell me what is UI action otherwise. Tell me UI action otherwise. What is UI action, guys? UI action. Yes, UI action. What happened to you all today? Yes? Nobody's answering? Yes, guys, you didn't answer your action. You didn't answer dictionary override. You're not answering anything. If I ask you, did you start project also? You're not telling anything. Why? Yes. We'll see the project at 3 o'clock. So I'm creating a multiple choice question in the poll. At least answer to that. Okay? At least answer to that question, guys. I put the question in the poll. Answer to that at least. Yes. So I put the question in the poll. Answer to that question at least. What is dictionary override? Options: a method to override table schema, a method to override field settings in extended table, a method to update system dictionary entries, a method to apply ACLs on dictionary fields. So answer that question. Only one answer. Two. Yes, only two people answered. I want more answers. Three answers I got. More answers. put one more question also. What is the purpose of transform map? To export data from ServiceNow, to map source data fields to target table fields, to encrypt data during import, to delete duplicate records. So answer that. So dictionary override, 5 people have voted for a method to override field settings in extended tables. That is absolutely right answer. So dictionary override allows us to define different field attributes. Like child table will inherit the fields from the parent table. But if you don't want that field to be mandatory or anything in one of the child tables, you don't want one of the child tables to inherit that from the parent table, then we will use a concept called dictionary override, right? So second question, what is the purpose of transform map? Answer. Yes, only one person answered. Answer, guys. Out of 19, only one person answered the second question. Answer that. Don't know import set? What is the purpose of transform map in import set? Added one more question. Which of the following best describes an update set? A list of users with admin roles, a group of customizations that can be moved between instances, a set of workflows to automate approvals, a collection of incident records. So which of these describe the update set? And I still didn't get transform map answers. Only 4 people have answered transform map question. I want more answers. Come on, answer, guys. Yes, I got only one answer for the third question. So the transform map answer is to map source data fields, source data fields to target table fields. That is, from the source table, we will send the data to the target table. That is what transform. We will transform the data from the source table, that is the temporary table, to the permanent table, that is the target table we will send. Okay. So transform maps are used during imports to define how source fields of map to the target fields. That's what transform map does. So next question answer is, which of the following describes an update set? I want more answers. Any of you answered? Got only 4 answers. So this one answer is, the following best describes and updates it is a group of customizations that can be moved between instances. That's the clear updates and definition, right? So list of users with admin roles, that is not the right answer, obviously. Set of workflows to automate approvals, no, we don't do anything for automation in using updates it. Collection of incident records, no. So one option that is left for us, a group of customizations that can be moved between instances. That is the right answer. That is the updates and definition. Okay. It tracks changes and moves from one instance to another. That's what update set is. Right. So we'll move to the project implementation then. So we'll see another project today. That is prevent user deletion if assigned to an incident. Okay. If assigned to an incident, prevent user deletion. So what is the problem statement? In an IT service management environment, users are frequently assigned to incidents for issue resolution and tracking. So in ITSM, any user is continuously assigned incidents. Any user is assigned incidents because the issue should be resolved and it should be tracked. For that, users are assigned with incidents always. However, the current system lacks a validation mechanism to prevent the deletion of a user who is still actively assigned to incidents. So we cannot delete the user who is already assigned with incidents. We cannot delete that user. Okay, if he is actively assigned an incident, we cannot delete that user. So this can lead to a broken data references, loss of accountability, and disruption in workflow continuity. So this is not right. It can lead to data references, broken data references, loss of accountability, and nobody is accountable. If the current system lacks deletion, so it's not accountable. and disruption in the workflow continuity. Okay, there is a need to implement a safeguard that prevents deletion unless all assigned incidents are closed or resigned. Okay, unless the incidents that are assigned to the user are closed or reassigned. Reassigned means those incidents should be assigned to some other user. Okay, those incidents should be assigned to some other user. So unless any of these doesn't happen, you should avoid deletion. Okay, you should avoid deletion unless incident is assigned to someone else's or closed. Closed means that issue is resolved. Okay, any of these doesn't happen, you cannot delete the user. This is the problem statement. I hope you're clear with the problem statement. Yes, clear with the problem statement. Yes, guys, clear with the problem statement. Yeah. Next one, objective. So, preserve data integrity. Ensure that no user who is currently assigned to any active incident can be deleted. Okay, so user who's currently, if some incident is currently assigned to him, you cannot delete that user. Okay, that is first objective. Second one, prevent workflow disruptions. Avoid orphaned incident records with missing assignees. So we don't want any incident record without any assigned user. So every incident should be assigned to some other user. We don't want incidents to be left out like that without any assignment. Okay, someone should assign. Some user should be assigned to any incident. Okay, that is one important thing. Next one, implement validation with business rule. Use ServiceNow business rule to create a validation check before user deletion. So we'll create a business rule where before deleting a user, there will be a validation. Some kind of condition should be checked before deleting a user. So for that, we can create a business rule and keep. Okay, these are the three objectives of this project. I hope these three objectives are clear, right? Nothing, guys. So first one is like you have to prevent the integrity, preserve the integrity. Sorry. Okay. So no user, user with any assigned, if the user is assigned with three incidents, do you want to delete that user? We don't know whether that user has still resolved that incident's issue or not. We don't know, but we cannot delete that before that, right? So that should be not allowed. So user deletion before, if he is assigned to some or the other incident, the user cannot be deleted unless and until that incident is closed. Closed means incident should be solved. Okay. If after it gets solved only, he'll be able to delete that user. Otherwise, it should be assigned to someone. Suppose if he is not able to solve that, that incident should be assigned to someone else, some other user. It should be assigned. Then only he can solve the. Then only we'll be able to delete the user, first assigned user. Okay. I hope that is clear. Next one. So workflow. See, we don't want any incidents. Every incident on the service now should be assigned to some or the other user. We cannot have an incident without assigning to some user. Okay, why? Because if it is assigned to someone only, there will be accountability. We can question that person why you did not resolve this issue. Okay, if that incident is not assigned to anyone, no one will be taking authority, right? No one will be accountable. Any user, you ask, they tell me it is not assigned to me. That's not my problem. They will tell that I cannot solve that issue because it's not assigned to me. So we don't want such kind of problems, right? In real time, these problems won't work out, right? We don't want such kind of problems. So what do? So whenever an incident record is created, it should be assigned. It should definitely be assigned to some user. That is mandatory. Okay, assigned to some user, it should be given. Okay, because if without assigning to some user, there won't be any accountability. Okay, nobody will take the responsibility. Nobody will take the authority to solve that issue. So for that, so we have to create, we can create some business rule and keep, okay, we can create some business rule and keep that, so that whenever they are deleting a user, they should confirm certain conditions. We can put some conditions, and if that conditions are okay only, we can go with the uh, deletion. Okay, that's what we can do it. So these are the objective of this project. Skills required. So you need users, tables, business rules, skill, glide record, scripting, and incident management. So these are the skills required for scripting for this project. Okay, I hope you understood the, what is the motto of this project, understood the scenario, right? Before we go into the implementation, I want you to just no, first you should understand any project that you are doing, guys, because now you'll be doing the project on your own also. First, understand the scenario. Read the title, why, what exactly, what is the reason we are doing this project should be known. Okay, because after finishing the project, if someone asks you to explain what is in the project, you should be able to do that. You cannot blindly create something, just because it is, we have asked you to do the project. You cannot do that. Just when someone questions you, you have to able to answer why you created that project. What is the use of this project? How is it helping anyone who is doing service now? Okay, how is it helping me, or how is it helping someone who's using service now? You should be able to answer these kind of questions in interviews also. If you're explaining some project to the interviewer, when he asks questions, you should be able to answer, and he will ask, what is the use of this project, how am I benefited from this project? You have to be able to answer. That's why it is important to understand the problem statement and understand the objective of this. Also, the conclusion is also very important. You have to conclude it very nicely also. I hope I'm making it clear. Right? So these are the skills required. So after skills required, directly we'll go to the task initiation. So task. So first one is user creation. We all know how to create users. So activity 1, create test users. So go to Servicenow, all users, click new, create 2 users. Okay, we'll see this. We'll see the first milestone. Let me share the incident screen. So user creation, we all know user creation, right? So we'll go to users. So click on new. This is the first milestone. In that first milestone, create users. So did they give any name for the users in the document? Yeah, 2 users, Kiran 123 and Ajay Kumar. Submit. Next one, another user is Ajay Kumar. So one more user I'm creating. So 2 test users we have created, that is Kiran 123 and Ajay Kumar. These are the 2 test users that we have created. If you can see here, see. To create 2 users, Kiran 123 and Ajay Kumar. These 2 are test users. Okay. So user ID is given as Ajay. Okay, we'll change that otherwise. So created today. Kiran. Okay, 2 users we have created. So after creating 2 users, next step. Yeah. So 2 users, Ajay and Kiran, 2 users I have created. Going to the next step. What is the next step? Assign incident to user. So assign incident to users. To step is assign incident. Navigate to the incident table, create a new incident and assign it to one created users. Example, Kiran123. Keep the incident active and true. Active is equals to still state in progress. So step by step we'll go. We'll go to incident table first. Incident. Create new. Incident, create new, some incident. Assign it to one of the created users. So one of the created users, we have to assign it. So assign to so assigned to so why assigned to is not showing any this thing. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see it here. Just give me a second. So reference is underscore user only. Reference call for role ITIN role. So So I'm just checking that failed because reference qualifier assigned to is not coming. So just checking that field. So assigned to Kiran I selected. Okay, next one, next step. Keep the incident active, true, and state in progress. So keep the incident active, true. Where is the active field? Active, true. State in progress. So, but one thing we didn't assign. So here they gave in the note that to assign any user, the user should have at least one role. So assign the role to a user before assigning the incident. So user should be assigned a role. Let's just assign the role to the user. So roles, edit, leave some ITIL role. Incident, create new. So assigned to okay, Kiran 1, 2, 3 I have given. And active state in progress. So that step we have done, right? The step is done. Some short description will give like test project. Okay, so this incident is created. Submit. So caller, some other tutor will give it. After that, next step is milestone 3, business rules creation. So we'll create a business rule with name prevent user deletion if assigned to an incident. Table sys underscore user when before business rule and delete should be checked. Yeah, so we'll go to business rules. Navigate to business rules. Click on new. Guys, are you getting any doubts while doing this? Yes. Are you getting any doubts? So name this as prevent user deletion when assigned to if assigned to an incident. If okay. So table, which table is it given here? User table. So user sys underscore user. Check on the advanced box. Before business rule they have given already for us to choose before business rule, like you can see here. When before delete checked. So delete should be checked here. And advanced. So script is given here. So I'm just copying this script. I'll explain the script. So the script is where incident glide record. So once incident new glide record, new incident is created and assigned to is given to the SSID. So set limit. So some limit you're setting. So it should be active is true. Okay, active is true is the limit. So then error message should be populated when deleting the record. So we want this error message to be populated while deleting the record. Okay. So click on submit the game. So moving to the test deletion. Attempt to delete assigned user. So we'll try deleting that incident. we have to delete user. So we are deleting the user. Sorry. So create another incident. So user, go to the user table and try deleting the user. User that we have created was so Kiran, right? So you'll get a warning. Let me check with the business rule once. So created today. Oh, script is correct only. If we try to delete Ajay Kumar, we'll see. So if you try to delete Ajay Kumar, because Ajay Kumar is no, anyway not assigned to any user, right? So we have got one warning here, one notification device. Note that the related records may trigger their own cache. So delete. So if you try to delete Kiran, one notification device and one notification message. See, this user cannot be deleted because they're assigned to one or more incidents. Okay, this message is populated. We are not able to delete Kiran, but whereas we are able to delete Ajay, right? That's what here it is given. So attempt to delete unused user. So Ajay Kumar we have deleted because he is not assigned with any incident. But here whereas Kiran we have already assigned him with an incident, so we are not able to delete that record. Okay, so here conclusion. This project provides a safeguard mechanism against accidental or improper deletion of users who are still involved in an active incident. By using a business rule on the sysuser table, the ServiceNow administrator can ensure that incidents ownership and workflow integrity remain intact. This solution upholds data consistency and promotes operational continuity with IT services first. So, what is this project helping us to do? So, when the user is assigned with some incident, we cannot delete that user. Okay, we are not able to see. Now Kiran Kumar was already assigned to an incident where we were not able to delete, but whereas Ajay Kumar we could able to delete. Understood, guys? Any queries in this? Yes, any queries? Understood? Guys, understood something? Answer right. Any doubts in this project? Yes, any doubts in this project? Answer something, guys. So, guys, so one more project we have finished. It's a very small project that we have done. Only business rules and user creation is there. So any queries you can ask me. Me, at least you understood the project or not? Someone? Yes. Yes. Shall I put one more question poll? So one more question I'm putting in the poll. So one more question I added in the poll. Try to answer that. What tables do all task-based tables extend from? A. Task, B. Base table, C. Incident, D. Code table. Yeah. So I started the poll. What table do all task-based tables extend from? Task, base table, incident, code table. Only one people have answered. One person have answered. What is this? I want an answer. Yes. Answer, guys. Only one person answered. Still nobody answered. So only 2 people have answered. So that question answer, what table do all task-based tables extend from? That is task table. Okay, task-based table will obviously extend from task table. So 2 people have answered, one told task and one told base table. So it's not base table, guys, it's task table. Okay, task-based tables will extend from task table only, right? So it's more logic. So it is task table. Guys, 10 more minutes are there in the session. Any queries you can ask me. I'll be here. Guys, I have asked about the mails. They told me that most of you all have received the mails because they have imported the data. If few of you didn't still get, they'll be getting by end of today or tomorrow. Still any? So 3 people have told me they didn't receive the mail. Veeranala, Shreya and Meghala. So I hope most of others have received the mails and started doing the projects. Still any more queries? So okay guys, so the time is up. We'll meet tomorrow and discuss rest of the topics. If you still have any queries, you can ask me tomorrow. Thank you guys.